In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the featured section to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your best work, highlight significant articles, or draw attention to media that you find important. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your LinkedIn account. It's important to ensure that you're on the homepage dashboard once you've logged in, as this is your starting point. From here, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon or simply the word Me. Go ahead and click on this. Now this will bring a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select View Profile. Clicking on this will take you to your personal profile page. This is where all the magic happens. As you land on your profile page, look for a button that says Add Section. This button is pivotal as it allows customization and personalization of your profile. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu show up with multiple options. What you're interested in is under the Recommended drop-down, so go ahead and click on Add Featured. This selection is where you can choose to add various kinds of content that you want prominently displayed on your profile. If you're wondering what types of items you can add, there's quite a bit of flexibility here. As you can see on my screen, I currently don't have any featured articles or posts ready to add, but the process is straightforward. Start by clicking the plus sign, which will prompt you with several options for inclusion. You have the choice to add a featured post, an article, a link, or any form of media you see fit. The kind of content you decide to include really depends on what you want to highlight. You may choose to feature a post that received high engagement or showcase an article you authored. If you have media files or a particular web page link that aligns with your professional goals or achievements, those can be excellent additions too. So go ahead and explore your options. Remember, the featured section is your opportunity to make the most out of your LinkedIn profile by showcasing what's important to you. And that's how you add the featured section to your LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more straightforward guides, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time.